Hi, and a very warm welcome to day 17. My name is Gaia, and we are doing a 30-day evening Yin Yoga challenge where we practice Yin Yoga for 30 consecutive days. Now, if you just found this video and want to do it on its own, that is perfectly fine. You will get an excellent practice out of it. However, for maximum benefit, I do recommend you move through the entire challenge starting with day 1, so I will link everything down below. Today we are starting lying down on our stomachs in a quad stretch. So first, just make your way onto your stomach. Bend at the elbows and create a little shelf for your forehead. And then bend into your left knee and bring it closer to your glute. And then reach back with your left hand, grabbing a hold of your foot. Make sure that your shoulders are still relaxed here, even though they are slightly more active. Just bring your foot in as close to your glute as is available to you, and allow yourself to settle for a couple of minutes. And gently release your leg. And we'll just do the same on the other side. So this time, bend into your right knee, then grab a hold of your right foot with your right hand. Bring that foot closer into your glutes and allow yourself to relax here. Gently release your foot and press back into a child's pose. You can keep your knees together or knees apart. You choose the version that works best for you. And you can also either keep your arms extended out in front of you or facing back by your side. Begin to deepen your breath and then very gently in your own time, roll yourself back up. Take a moment once you arrive at the top and then make your way into Savasana in whichever way suits you best. Extend your legs long and let the feet flop to the sides. Bring your arms down by your side with the palms facing up. Lengthen the back of your neck and then just allow yourself to settle against your mat. Rest and integrate this practice. Gently begin to return your awareness back into your body. Wiggle your fingers and your toes. You can take a nice deep stretch if that serves you right now. And when you're ready, roll onto one side first. Before using your arms to press yourself back up into a seat. Come take a seat in any way that feels best to you. Place your palms together at the heart in Anjali Mudra and close your eyes. And as you close your eyes, just tap into the day that you've had. Let it unfold within you. And as it does, ask yourself, what is one thing, just one thing, that you can be grateful for today? That you can appreciate, maybe celebrate, or be proud of. Just allow one thing to come to you and then deepen the connection, amplify those emotions, really allow them to wash over you and through you, infusing every single cell of your body. I want to thank you so much for practicing with me, and I will see you again tomorrow. Thank you.